This is how you install DJI Mavic Enterprise drone into, we call it the holder for the DJI drone that would adapt it to the end of a hot stick. So this is for use in manholes and other confined spaces. Chad, if you could please just talk us through it.
Sure. So you have 3 securing nuts that you're gonna take off first. So if you get all 3 of those out of the way. And then you're gonna want to separate the top and the bottom. So if you get it open as far as you can slip the drone inside. So you kind of get it a little bit of an angle and kind of get it back in there. And what you want is these front drive motors to be able to drop into those 2 sockets. And if those are in the 2 front sockets, then you're aligned properly. And then you want to evenly push down the top on there, and it'll secure the drone in place. Make sure your bolts are back up where they need to be and they fit in the sockets there. And then you want to replace your tightening nuts.
The open side is on the top.
Yep, open side is on the top so you can see the nut. And you want to tighten those down so that they're secure. And then from there you'll be able to hook this to the hot stick.
That's to the hot stick right there. Okay. Thank you.